Good afternoon. It's about lunchtime. Thank you for coming back. If you're new here, karibu sana. We are a channel that just does family, how to video, travel, cooking, and a lot more of nice things. So today we are doing a video of how you can convert your battery to electricity. If you're somewhere in a kibanda and you don't have electricity and the business you're doing needs electricity, stay tuned. I'll show you what to do and have electricity. Let me tell you why we decided to have this battery and the solar panel. It's because customers used to come, wanapanga line, and my battery has gone off. So I use a battery that I use a machine that uses an internal battery. Like when you charge now, you can use it, and it used to serve like 5 clients. So in the evening, wakati wase wametoka job, you find that people are full here and my battery is running out. So in a video, member customer come cash. So I came up with this solution to help me now to have electricity constantly. Like the machine now is connected to electricity like 24/7. No more clients going because battery memushia as you're making her, which used to frustrate me and it used to make me feel so bad. So we came up with this idea so that we can have electricity even at night. We can still work, but it's okay. But in the future now, we will have electricity even at night. Yeah. So before this road was constructed, there used to be electricity. Now when it was constructed, they normally disconnect power, and that's why there is no electricity happen like in the kibandas. And where the buildings are that we can get steamer from, it's a bit far, like it's like 200 meters far from this place. So we came up with this idea. I hope you learned something today. This can also be done in Ushago. Kama stima ijafika kwenyu, this is a solution you can do. It doesn't cost much, around 10,000, 13,000 hapo. You will have everything connected for beginners friendly. This system can give you electricity in charging your phone, can help you to charge your bulb, can give you electricity on the bulbs also.
The panel is from Solartech. It's rated 60 watts. We bought it from Naivas at 4,400 shillings. So this one is what converts the solar energy into electricity. So the sun converts the solar energy, then from the solar panel. So from the solar panel, it comes, the power comes to the inverter. This is what is called a solar charge controller. Basically what this does, it controls the voltage going to the battery, because the battery is rated 12 volts and the panel is rated from 12 volts to 16 volts. So the solar charge controller controls the amount of power going into the voltage going to the battery. So it maintains it at 12 volts instead of the 16, because if it comes at 16 volts, it will dry the battery, because this one is a gel battery. So the power comes from the inverter to the battery. Our battery is rated 70 ampere hour and it's from SolarMax. So the power comes from the panel, solar charge controller that regulates the amount of power that is charged to the battery. Then from the battery, we now bring our power to our inverter. Our inverter is rated 150 watts. So from the inverter converts the 12 volts to 230 volts. Now it converts 12 volts direct current to 230 volts alternating current. So from there, it comes to our extension. Then from the extension, now we can plug our devices. Like this one you see is a gel dryer, and this one is a rechargeable gel dryer. So we can charge this one from now our alternating current. Then we have also connected our light. So the light is connected directly from the charge controller. As you can see, this button, this is the button for the light. So when I press the button, the power comes on. Now when I press the button, you can see the power goes off. When I press it, comes on. So now we have, when I press the button, you can see the power goes off. When I press it, it comes on. So this bulb, this one is the alternating current bulb. This one is 12 volts. So this 12 volts, we have connected it directly from the solar charge controller. So that's how our connection works.
And you can also charge your phones through here. You put your cable, you charge your phones. It has 2 slots to do that. So guys, that was it for today's video.